So hopefully Facebook can see, Instagram can see it too. You have to think I'm telling all the story experience is just a little bit fun over it. Just thin coat. Okay, evenly. I don't know why is that. You know what? I think because I would travel, so this one it was like upside down maybe. That's why it's released a lot of my premium eye hole. I think it's too dark though. It's too dark. I can't see it from Instagram. Can you see it at all? It looks so bad. The lighting is really bad. Okay. I took this, I believe it's number 24. There are so many of them. I want to try this too. But I think I will wait for this one tomorrow because it has like dream catchers in here. See the dream catchers? I'm gonna do that tomorrow. You are very welcome, Jintala. Hey, how are you? Okay, so let me put this one, and I'm gonna pick this really cute rose right there. I'm turning this and using that one right here. There you go. That's exactly what I want. And make sure you press it firmly. After 30-second curing with that premium eye hole transfer foil, you press this for 30 seconds. You press, after cure for 30 seconds, you want to press it firmly to make sure everything, every detail of the flowers or any of the image on your transfer foil designs completely transfer. We're going to have a long session today, so bear with me. It's just so, it's a weird time. Usually we'll go earlier, but because of, look at that. So beautiful. I'm going to add some crystals on it. Look at that. It's transferred completely. Whole image. You know what? I am going to probably do some layer on it. You know that you can do layer on the top of this. And I can do this. And I can do this. Okay, let me do that. And I will do one more spot right here. And then just the spot right there. The butterflies, I'm gonna do a butterfly. Pop in the lamp for about 30 seconds. I just apply the eye hole transfer foil. And hi Marie, how are you? It feels like I leave all of you forever. But I'm back here. I'm so glad I'm back home. Oh, hi, Leah. Absolutely. My pleasure. I'm so glad you all get to really learning something. It feels this one like crooked though. No, it's normal like that.
No, that's your.
This one is like all the way. Feel like that. So if you are on Facebook, please feel free to share it to your friends. Your friends are looking for some really cool an idea to do. So I'm gonna pick that butterflies. I'm gonna transfer that butterflies right here. You can layer them. Just completely transfer. Right there. I think I do get it good. Yep, and then let me do another one that I do like this one a lot. This one right here. I'm gonna try to have her in here with me. Right here. See, you don't have to settle for just only one. You can just doing it the whole entire the flowers. And then I'm gonna put some crystal on it to make it dress this more. It's more like, this is condensed glue gel. Stella, what are you using to transfer the foil? I am using this iHo Premium Transfer Foil Gels. It's just amazing. It's freaking cool. If you are tired of what you're trying to transfer all the designs and you couldn't get it right because of this not transferred, you gotta check this guys out. If it's one thing that you need to do it for your transfer foil, do that. Get this one. So then that way you can get an idea of how wonderful it transfer. Okay, great question, Patty. You said you bought the gym gels and the gels don't fill up after I shower. Do you know how long do you cure your crystals? It is 60-second curing, and then under LED proper lamp. So when you cure, you make sure you turn the clients or your nails back and forth, because you only cure on the top. This only cured this. The LED is only key on the top, and it didn't get to key, especially for the smaller or bigger stone with the glue, condensed glue gels. And if you don't key on the side, so then what happened that the stone is not got to key properly. So when it does that, it's happened when you shower, when the heat and stuff, it just remove yours, which is it's not been keyed completely. So try it again and give it a try again, and make sure you rock your hands, and then make sure you're using a right amount of your condensed glue gel. I need my brush. This one is on. My twin tip brush. All my floral brush and my twin tips brush. We have a great class in New York City. I'm so glad we are back home. No, I need the twin tip. Oh, can you get me the new one, the new twin tip brush, please? In the meantime, I got my new twin tip brush, but I am going to using my dot 2. I can't go anywhere. Oh, because I was doing a fashion week in New York, and my twin tip brushes was in with my mentor already. So I'm gonna use this in the meantime. I'm waiting for a new twin tip brush to come out. Just a layer, thin layer of it. I'm gonna dress this butterflies a little bit. I'm gonna dress her up with the colors. Facebook, we'll make sure Facebook can see it. Dress her up. Close that. And I'm gonna wipe off my condensed glue gel. Sticky, so be careful. My cute twin tip brush. If you get twin tip brush, it's really cool though. Tip and trick, if you get this one and the thin band that you get is a light brush. But if you see on the other side had a thicker band, it had the gel side brush. So break it a little bit because it's brand new. So I'm gonna soften it. Now I am going to blend this a little bit. See, I can't go anywhere with my twin tip brush. Put some crystal, and I'm going to put my no wipe top coat. This is my no wipe top coat. Can I get the pink or Bahamas or clear AB? And now it says a really cool tip and trick. All you need to do is floating them on the top of your condensed glue gel. You don't want to drag them because then it's gonna pull all of your condensed glue gel off. You don't want that, and then plus it's gonna contaminate and it's gonna make it look really sticky. Great. Thin on the bottom. my Bahamas, my green. Thank you. There you go. I have it in my traveling, so it's really interesting. And can you get me some beads out too? Look at that, how cute she is. We are going to do some rows on this. I'm so excited to be back home, and just bear with me. We're gonna have a lot of cute nails we are going to do. So what next after your Valentine? Of course, I get to see so many cute nails for Valentine. We should do and I did some of this for my dress up this. And I just feel like I want to dress this one cute up. Just want to say hello to everyone. Hey Paula, I do wish I could make it to the class. We have a class coming in March. And this is going to be a great class for 3 days intense. First day we're doing liquid and powder, dipping powder, or shape of different shapes for salon style shape. Also we have you know, for really trendy shape, which is coffin, stiletto, almonds, and that will help you with, you know, doing a proper filings at your salon. Really good, easy, fast tip and trick how you can create that and do it great, nice, precise. How you do precise coffin. Why you always see your coffin, it looks great. You think it's good, and when you take a picture, it looks so bulky on the side. It feels like you will never get it enough, and then the tip it keep curling and it doesn't look right. So that's it's gonna cover in the class, like, and you get hands-on. So many of our students got chance to go, and they were so successful with that, and great to see them branching out themselves and their business. It just mean a lot to us. And also the second day, that's the first day, we're doing everything, the techniques, dipping and a liquid and powder. And the second day we're doing all crystal and nail art, like crystal from a basic flat back 3D to advanced, you know, 4D gels, fusion inks, 4D gels, painting gel, also all the painting gel. Any is nail art that you will get to learn so much in the class as well. And the third day is the master brand ambassador, to get to opportunity after the training to be working with us. Like if you are a really passionate nail technician, you are ready to take level the career to the next level beside doing it at the salon. If you want to travel, doing classes with us, doing a trade show, teaching and helping people, like if you love helping people and help them to be successful, so then you'll be also more successful. This is a class is for you. It's gonna cover so much. We're gonna show you and teach you how to teach your class, how to able to host your own class with our support. This is a great, amazing how you can do a presentation, how you can do able to doing it with your social medias and reach it out to a lot of your nail tech. That is a class for you. So it's really hard to tell it's all enough until you get an experience in there. It's not only it's just training as a nail tech, take you to the next level. It's also is really covers so much for your career. So, all right. So I think I'm good, and I'm gonna pop this in the lamp for about 60 seconds. It's just, you know what? I didn't want to do too much in a flower because the flower stand out so nice. I just put some crystal on it, so then it looks cute. But I do not want to mess it up by just ruining my beautiful flowers. So in the lamp for about 60 seconds.